Hello everyone, this is lesson number 58, and in this video we continue to learn chapter number 15. I hope. Let's see. First one, repeat our words. Gan, to hurry, to drive, to catch up with. As I said, this is a bit hard to use sometimes because quite gan. Faster, hurry up, so just hurry. Or you can say here, 相赶上. Gan shang, it's already not to hurry up, it's already catch up with someone. Gan shang. So need a bit experience to use this word. 害羞, to be shy or just shy. 打针, to give an injection. 敲门, to knock at the door. 闹钟, alarm clock. 弹, to play musical instrument. 钢琴, piano. 棒, good, excellent. 孙子,对不起. So first one for this, 孙子, grandson or son's son, right? It's just grandson. 孙子. Be careful because we know 孙子. It's some old man who wrote this Art of War and some other useful books, but for now it's 孙子. So this z just zero tone. So another word, 孙子, grandson. Grandpa loved his grandson dearly. 爷爷很疼爱他的孙子. 疼爱, it's to love someone, but to love someone very love, fond, affection. So it's just the same as I, but I think maybe more deep love, more intimate love, more close. Alright, to be 过分疼爱, to be excessively fond of someone, to redouble one's love for 加倍. So just to love very much. 疼爱 hot love, you could say. Or too fond of someone. 爷爷很疼爱, very love, or really love someone, or just loves a lot. 很疼爱他的孙子, so dearly love or very deep love, right? 爷爷很疼爱他的孙子. So next one, she has two grandsons, both very smart. 她有两个孙子，都很聪明。聪明，对。他有两个 ，so he has two，两个 just a measure word，不是 measure word，it's just 两个 ，it's a measure word，两 it's two，so 他有两个孙子 has two grandson， 都很聪明，都很聪明。Both you can say both or all very smart or because of they two just both， 都很聪明。很聪明，他有两个孙子，都很聪明。Next one， 寒假，假 here is like holidays. 寒 is like very cold or just here is winter. Another way to say 冬天 it's a winter. Or 寒 also could be. During the winter holidays, I'm going to travel to 广东。寒假我要去广东旅游。寒假寒假的时候寒假时or just 寒假 during the winter just this during is implied. 我要去 I'm going to 广东旅游广东旅游。I go to Guangdong for traveling. Or I'm going to travel to Guangdong. Guangdong is south of China, right near to Hong Kong. It's a big province, very big province. And so during the winter holidays, I'm going to travel to Guangdong. 寒假我要去广东 旅游，广东旅游。The winter holidays are a good time for students to relax. 寒假是学生放松的好时间。寒假winter holidays is 学生 students. So you can say from a bottom 时间 it's time, right? It's time for what? It's first it's 好时间 it's a good time for what? And the describe what to do. 学生放松 students relax. Students so it's a good time for students to relax. 学生放松的好时间 So it's a bit in another way that we use in English. So be careful here. 寒假是学生放松的好时间，好时间。对。Next one，父亲，父亲 father。Next one，父亲 father。My father is an engineer。我的父亲是一名工程师。我的父亲是 My father is 一名 measure word for profession, so 一名工程师。工 is like work, 程 is like process, and 师 is like master. So master of process, you can say. Engineer. 我的父亲是一名工程师。工程师。Next one. My father gets up early every day to work. 父亲每天都早起工作。早起工作。So my father every day always 早 like morning 起 wake up. So early you can say get up early. 早起get up early, right? 早起工作 work. So 父亲每天都早起工作。Next one 响 to make a sound to ring, right? For example, recently 闹钟 right? Alarm clock or the phone. The phone is ringing. Go answer it quickly. 电话响了，快去接吧。电话响了 so phone is ringing or ringed, right? 快去 faster go 接 here has a lot of meanings, but here's to pick up a phone to answer a call. 快去接吧 but it's like let's or quick or just do something. The phone is ringing. Go answer it quickly. 电话响了，快去接吧，快去接吧。The thunder was loud and startled me. 雷声很响，吓了我一跳。雷声thunder 声 it's no 声 it's a voice or sound of something. 雷 it's a thunder. So 雷声 it's thunder. But I think 雷 is not thunder. I think so it's just the same. 雷声 or just 雷声很响 was very loud. So here's to make sound, to ring, or sometimes to be loud, very loud. So it could be adjective here, right? 对 loud. So 雷声很响，吓了我一跳。吓 it's here is to frighten someone. 吓了我一跳。So you can say she frightened me, at which I started to jump. I jumped out of scare. Started to give me a fright, give me such a fright, give me a scare. 下一条 it's 吓了一跳，对 it's to be frightened, to be startled, surprised and slightly frightened by something unexpected, startled. 雷声很响，吓了我一跳一跳，对。Next one, 醒 to wake up. I was woken up by the alarm clock. 我被闹钟吵醒了。我被闹钟 it's alarm clock, but I was by 这个被 it's a by is something. 我被闹钟吵醒 it's to wake up. 吵 it's like I wake up because of noise. So I was woken up. I was woken up by the alarm clock. 我被闹钟吵醒了，吵醒了。我被闹钟吵醒了。对 ，We will meet 吵 in the future. Next one, he always wakes up late in the morning. 他早上总是醒得很晚。他早上 in the morning 总是 always 醒 wake ups and the describe how 很晚 very late. So wake up very late 醒得很晚。He always wake up late in the morning. 他早上总是醒得很晚。Next one, 厕所 lavatory, toilet or WC 厕所。The toilet is on the left side of the second floor. 厕所在2楼的左边。So toilet 厕所在 at 左边左 it's like right 边 side, so on the right side of what 2楼 second floor. So the toilet on the left side 对不起不是 right left 左边 right is 右边 left is 左边 so on the left side of the second floor. 厕所在2楼的左边2楼的左边。So it's a bit construction is a bit interesting here. Let's see another one. Please keep the lavatory clean, the toilet clean. 请保持厕所的清洁。请 please 保持 to keep to maintain 厕所的清洁。清洁 is cleanless or cleanless. Hygiene, made, depurate. So please keep the lavatory clean. 请保持厕所的清洁 cleanness of toilet. 厕所的清洁。Next one, 批评 to criticize. The teacher criticized him because he was careless. 老师批评他，因为他粗心。老师 teacher 批评 criticize 他 right criticize him why 因为他粗心 because he's 粗心 careless 粗心。So 粗心 is reckless, thoughtless, inattentive, headless, sloppy, and very careless. So 老师批评他，因为他粗心。He doesn't accept criticism and thinks he's not wrong. 他不接受批评，觉得自己没错。So as you can see, 批评 here is not to criticize. It's here is criticism, right? It's a noun here. 他不接受，接受 it's to accept something. 他不接受批评 he doesn't accept criticism. 觉得 and he thinks 自己没错 he is like himself didn't mistake. 没错 he's not wrong. 他不接受批评，觉得自己没错。Let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 孙子 grandson, sons of son. 孙子寒假 winter holidays. 父亲 father. 响 to make a sound, to ring, sometimes also loud. 醒 to wake up. 厕所 lavatory, toilet, 厕所。批评 to criticize or criticism. So next is also one new idiom for today. Last time, 水落石出, truth revealed. 水落石出. Today is a new one, to trace the source. 顺藤摸瓜 to trace the source. To trace the source. So this idiom means following clues to find the root, like tracing a vine to find a melon. Vine. Plant with long stems that grows along the ground of climb sources. Climbing plant. Yeah. 藤. So 顺 to follow or trace. 藤 vine symbolizing clues. 摸 to feel or search. 瓜 melon representing the goal. Interesting. The police traced the source and found the criminal hideout. Hidden headquarters for secret activities. Secret location used by fugitives. Hideout. 警察顺藤摸瓜找到了罪犯的藏身处。警察 policeman 顺藤摸瓜顺
顺藤摸瓜，顺藤摸瓜，顺藤摸瓜，顺藤摸瓜，
顺藤摸瓜。警察顺藤摸瓜找到了 they find out 罪犯 the criminal 罪犯的藏身处。藏 is to hide, 身 it's body, hide shelter 藏身 and 处 is like place, so hideout, safe house, hiding place. 藏身处。The police traced the source and found the criminal hideout. 警察顺藤摸瓜找到了罪犯的藏身处。So also one new tongue twister, right? Just quickly. Last time it's gu gu. Today is a new one. The rabbit suddenly spits soil. 吐 rabbit 吐 suddenly 吐 to spit 吐 soil. But this one is changed to second, right? 吐 So see you next one.